In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk update your listing on Facebook Marketplace. To get started, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the site loads, sign in to your account if you are not already logged in. After you are in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Marketplace. This will take you to the section where you can manage the items you are selling. From there, click on your profile icon. This opens the seller menu where you can access tools related to your marketplace activity. In that menu, select your listings. This is where you will see all of the listings you currently have posted. Now open the listing you want to edit first. Once the listing is open, click Edit Listing. This will bring up the editing screen where you can update the details of that item. Go ahead and make the necessary changes. Depending on what you need to update, this could include adjusting the title, description, price, photos, category, or other listing details. Take a moment to review everything carefully so your information is accurate and consistent before saving. When you are finished making changes, click Save. This updates that listing with your new information. To continue bulk updating your listings, repeat the same process for each remaining item. Go back to your listings, open the next listing, click Edit Listing, make your changes, and then click Save again. Since Facebook Marketplace does not always provide a single edit screen for changing multiple listings all at once, this method is the practical way to update several listings in sequence. As you work through your listings, it can help to stay organized and make the same type of update one listing at a time. For example, if you are changing prices, updating item conditions, or refreshing descriptions, keeping your edits consistent can save time and reduce mistakes. It is also a good idea to double-check each listing after saving just to make sure the update appears correctly. And that's it. The process is simple. Go to Facebook, open Marketplace, access your listings, edit the listing you want, save your changes, and repeat for the rest of your items. If you are updating several listings, taking it step by step makes the task much easier and helps keep your marketplace inventory accurate and up to date.